Welcome back to one more useful and interesting video. In this video, I am going to talk about Samsung Star Scholar. First of all, talking about the program. Samsung India invites application for Samsung Star Scholarship program from students of Navodaya Vidyalaya JNV currently pursuing a full-term BTech or dual degree BTech plus MTech course in an Indian Institute of Technology IIT or a National Institute of Technology NIT in India. This scholarship aims to award the meritorious students pursuing technical courses at top institutions. Selected scholars will receive a scholarship of up to rupees 2 lakh for expenses related to tuition, examination, hostel and mess for one academic year. Now talking about the eligibility criteria for that scholarship. To be eligible, an applicant must be enrolled in BTech, BTech plus MTech dual degree program in IIT and NIT listed by Samsung. Must have completed his class 12th from any of the Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya. Be in good standing with the institute to receive a Samsung Star Scholar support. Now talking about the benefit related to Samsung Star Scholar. The selected students will receive a scholarship up to a maximum of 2 lakh per year towards expenses related to tuition fee, hostel and mess charges. Now talking about the documents related to that scholarship. Completed application form with a self-attested photograph, self-certified class 10th and 12th CBSE mark statement, self-certified copy of JEE main ranking certificate, self-certified copy of final admission letter from the institute, original copy for admission or annual fee receipt, self-certified copy of primary active bank account passbook, self-certified copy of address proof, Aadhaar card or Aadhaar enrollment ID or passport, self-certified clear copy of PAN card, a brief write-up. Now talking about how can you apply. Go to the official website, download the application form, email the complete application via email to star.scholars@samsung.com. Send the hard copy of the application by post to the address showing on your screen. Star Scholar, Corporate Citizenship, Samsung India Electronics Private Limited, DLF Phase 5, Gurgaon, Haryana. Important date related to that scholarship. Application start date 20 November 2020. Application deadline 25 January 2021. Now talking about the selection criteria of that scholarship. First year scholarship candidates will be selected on the basis of their All India rank in the joint entrance examination. The second year scholarship will be determined based on the students' overall academic performance. Candidates who remain in the top 50% of their class will continue to get the scholarship for the next year. Now talking about the terms and conditions related to that scholarship. Samsung may engage any third party to carry out verification of the information and other tasks related to that scholarship. Meeting the minimum application requirement and scholarship criteria does not guarantee the scholarship. The scholarship received will forfeit the scholarship amount during the scholarship period in case he or she fails any criteria mentioned in the rulebook. Duration of the scholarship will be for one academic year, extendable to subsequent 3 years for BTech degree course and 4 years for dual degree course. Share this video with your friends so that they can also get benefit by that video. Thank you for watching this video.